Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Italian meringue macarons. First, gather all your ingredients and measure them precisely. Sift your almond flour and powdered sugar together to remove any lumps, ensuring a smooth texture. This initial preparation is key for achieving those perfect, delicate shells. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and more enjoyable. Next, let's make the Italian meringue. Heat your sugar and water to create a syrup, aiming for 248 degrees Fahrenheit. While the syrup cooks, whip a portion of your egg whites to soft peaks. Once the syrup reaches temperature, carefully and slowly pour it into the whipping egg whites. Continue whipping until the meringue is glossy, stiff, and has cooled down. Now comes the macaronage, a crucial step. Gently fold the Italian meringue into your dry ingredients. Mix until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a figure 8 without breaking. This consistency is vital for the macaron's feet. Transfer the batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform circles onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. After piping, let your macarons rest for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a skin forms. This resting period helps prevent cracking and encourages the development of the characteristic feet. Bake them in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the tray before carefully removing and filling them.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.